Welcome to the Specialty Centers of Stafford County Public Schools, where passion meets purpose. Our specialty centers provide unique opportunities for students to immerse themselves in specialized coursework and hands-on experiences, preparing them for future careers and life after high school. Each center, housed within one of our high schools, fosters a like-minded community where students can explore multiple career pathways designed to help them achieve their goals. Welcome to the Leadership, Education, and Public Service LEAPS Center at Mountain View High School. Here, students dive into 5 exciting pathways: community leadership with the International Baccalaureate Diploma, criminal justice, Future Educators Academy, and law. At LEAPS, you'll build essential skills in leadership, communication, advocacy, critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork, all while making an impact. Each pathway features a capstone project and a service learning experience connecting classroom learning with real-world action. Students in our Future Educators Academy can even earn an associate's degree from Germanna Community College while still in high school. Whether your passion is teaching, law, justice, or leadership, LEAPS helps you prepare for college, career, and community success. Apply to the LEAPS Center at Mountain View High School and take the leap into leadership, education, and public service. Welcome to the Engineering Profession and Industries of Construction EPIC Center at Stafford High School, where innovation meets industry and future careers take shape. The EPIC Center gives students the power to explore and excel in real-world careers when they choose one of 7 pathways, from carpentry, electricity and masonry, to engineering, HVAC, fiber optics, and data center and mission-critical operations. With hands-on experience, rigorous coursework, and industry-standard certifications like NCCER, OSHA 10 and 30, and heavy equipment, students graduate ready to build, design, and innovate. Choose your pathway, master your craft. At the EPIC Center, your future starts now. Welcome to the Community Health and Medical Professions CHAMP Center at Brooke Point High School, where your journey to a career in healthcare begins. Immerse yourself in real-world healthcare learning designed for future doctors, nurses, physician assistants, and mental health professionals. Choose your path from biomedical sciences and nursing to medical assisting and mental health services. Gain valuable skills, earn credentials like the Certified Nurse Aide and Medical Assisting certifications, and build a foundation for your future in healthcare. Apply today to the CHAMP Center at Brooke Point High School, where your path to a fulfilling career in health and medicine begins. Welcome to the Business and Information Technology BIT Center at Colonial Forge High School, a bold step forward in preparing students for tomorrow's careers. Here, you can choose from 5 pioneering pathways like business administration, entrepreneurship, cybersecurity, business information technology, and data analytics. Students learn through real-world projects, cutting-edge technology, and earn industry-recognized certification that open doors to careers in business, IT, and cybersecurity. The Business and IT Center at Colonial Forge High School, shaping the future of tomorrow's business and tech leaders. Opening August 2026, the Ascent Center at North Stafford High School is launching the future. A dynamic program preparing students for high-demand careers from aerospace and geospatial technologies to global logistics and sustainable energy. Here, students don't just study concepts, they live them. Through hands-on projects, simulations, and dual enrollment with Germanna Community College, students earn real credentials and real momentum towards STEM career. The Ascent Center, where education takes flight, ideas connect, and the next generation of innovators begin their journey. Opening in August 2026, the AMP Center at Hartwood High School, where creativity isn't just encouraged, it's celebrated. The AMP Center is a place where passion meets purpose in digital content production, live event management, music production, and audio engineering and visual arts. The AMP Center builds on creativity, preparing students for exciting careers in the arts and media industries. Discover your creative future at Hartwood High's AMP Specialty Center, because here, your imagination is just the beginning. Stafford County Public Schools Specialty Centers, providing innovative pathways to meaningful post-secondary outcomes for every student. Find your passion, build your future.